which musketool can we drum on like a drum?
Nagri, sa drum.
In the heart of a vast Indian jungle, where sunlight filtered through the dense canopy and the air hummed with the sounds of life, there lived a spirited 10-year-old girl named Nagri. She wore an orange shirt with a golden lion emblazoned on it, a symbol of her courage, and a long teal sari skirt that fluttered as she explored her surroundings. Nagri loved the jungle, where every leaf seemed to whisper secrets, and every rustling bush held the promise of adventure. One warm afternoon, Nagri wandered deeper into the jungle than ever before. She hummed a tune as she walked, her sandals brushing against the soft earth. Suddenly, she stopped, her eyes catching a strange glimmer in the underbrush. Pushing aside the leaves, she discovered something remarkable, a drum. The drum's steel surface was adorned with orange mountains at its base, topped with golden yellow lines that seemed to radiate like sunlight. It had a sturdy brown strap with a buckle. Nagri's eyes widened with wonder as she lifted it, feeling its smooth, cool surface. "What is this doing here?" she murmured in Hindi. "Kitna sundar hai." Curious, she slung the strap over her shoulder, adjusting it so the drum rested against her chest. With a tentative hand, she struck the drumhead. The sound was deep and powerful, echoing through the jungle. Nagri grinned, tapping out a lively rhythm she called Nagri's drumbeat. Unbeknownst to her, the sound carried far and wide, reaching the ears of a sleek leopard resting on a nearby rock. Its golden eyes narrowed as it listened to the strange noise. Irritated by the disturbance, the leopard leapt down and began stalking toward the source of the sound. Nagri, oblivious to the danger, continued drumming, her music making the jungle feel alive. Leaves quivered, vines swayed, and birds chirped in sync with her beat. But then she heard a low growl. Her hands froze. Turning, she saw the leopard step out from the shadows, its sharp claws digging into the earth. Nagri's heart raced, but she remembered her father's advice, never run. Face your fears. She stood tall, clutching the drum tightly. "Chale jao," she shouted in Hindi, her voice trembling but strong. The leopard growled louder, inching closer. Desperate, Nagri raised her drum and struck it hard. The powerful sound startled the leopard, but it didn't retreat. Instead, it lunged, its claws grazing the drum's surface. Nagri jumped back, her mind racing. What could she do? Then, she remembered her grandmother's words, "When the earth trembles, even the fiercest beasts flee." Nagri took a deep breath, lifted the drum high above her head, and began stomping her feet. Her feet pounded the ground with surprising force. The earth seemed to come alive beneath her, trembling with each stomp. Trees swayed violently, their branches creaking. Birds erupted into the sky, their wings flapping in panic. Vines swung wildly, and leaves rained down like confetti. The leopard hesitated, its ears flattening as the vibrations grew stronger. "मैं तुमसे डरती नहीं हूँ," Nagri shouted, her voice rising with each stomp. The ground quaked, and the leopard backed away, unnerved. When a particularly strong tremor shook the earth, the predator turned and bolted into the jungle, disappearing into the shadows. Nagri stopped stomping, her chest heaving as she caught her breath. The jungle grew still again, the trees settling back into place. She lowered the drum and slung it across her chest, tapping it lightly to calm herself. The sound was softer now, comforting. Nagri smiled, proud of her bravery. When she returned home, she told her family about her adventure. Her mother gasped, hugging her tightly, while her father smiled with pride. "You are as brave as the lion on your shirt," he said. From that day on, Nagri's drum became her constant companion. Whenever she played Nagri's drumbeat, the jungle seemed to remember her courage. And though the leopard never returned, the jungle's whispers carried the tale of the fearless girl whose drum could make the earth tremble.